Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss here the holidays homework. Okay, so let's start for holidays homework. In the next, yes, just wait. Holidays homework, the first, look these pictures and write two beautiful story in your own words. Yes, you can see pictures. In these pictures, elephant, yes, monkey, umbrella. You have to create a new story in your own words. Okay, you have to give the name also this story. Okay, let's make elephant, yes, monkey. You have to create, this is the picture of one story and this is the picture of the next story second. Okay, in this picture monkey is planting and another is saying and I think warning, and you have to imagine this and write your story. Okay, the next our part is design a poster to announce the annual sports day held at your school. ओके, आपको एक पोस्टर को डिज़ाइन करना है जिसमें जो एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे है वो आपके स्कूल में हुआ हो. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट डिज़ाइन अ थॉट प्रोवोकिंग poster discerning people to avoid raw drugs and become responsible citizens. ये दो जो चार्ट हैं वो आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट है आपका फोर्थ पार्ट, राइट 10 sentences on simple past tense and present perfect tense. Okay, the confusion between past and present, simple past and present perfect tense. Okay, always students are feel confusing. The past tense is the use of subject plus helping verb, not helping verb. His helping verb is did, and only you have to use in negative and interrogative sentence, and otherwise next is present perfect tense is helping verb is has, have. Okay, and you have to in Hindi. Okay, means past tense मैंने बाजा बजाया, this is a past tense, and मैंने बाजा बजाया है, this is a present perfect tense. The difference between only है. Okay, in Hindi मैंने बाजा बजाया is a past tense and मैंने बाजा बजाया है is a present perfect tense. Next part, you are write 10 words below givens. Yes guys, look carefully. Homophones, you have to listen before the word homophones. Homophones, yes, homophones are words having similar sounds but different spellings and different meaning. Yes, homophone, this is your homophones. Homophones are words having similar words sounds. साउंड क्या होंगी इसमें, एक जैसी होंगी, बट जो इनका स्पेलिंग है वो भी आपकी डिफरेंट होंगी और उनका मीनिंग भी अलग अलग होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू, यस, अ वेरी सिंपल WEEK, week, and also sound is same, and the other is WEAK. Spelling is different but sound is same and meaning is also different. Okay, and the another example, yes, you can better understand. For example, die one, okay, and die, the spelling is different but sound is same and meaning is also different. So this is called homophones. And the next is homonyms. Okay, this is your homonyms. Its second is Homonyms are words having similar spellings and sounds but different meanings or origins. Yes, इसमें क्या होगा, होमोनियम्स में आपके जो वर्ड्स हैं वो आपके मीन्स स्पेलिंग वो आपको क्या मिलेंगी, सेम मिलेंगी, एक जैसी मिलेंगी, एंड साउंड भी सेम रहेगी आपकी, बट जो मीनिंग है वो उनके क्या रहेंगे, अलग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं हम, पोल. यस, सेम. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो पोल, POLE, दोनों सेम है. पोल स्पेलिंग साउंड भी सेम है, बट द मीनिंग इज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल पोल, इस पोल का मीनिंग आपका क्या है, अ सिटीजन ऑफ पोलैंड. ओके. एंड द अदर पोल इज अ लॉन्ग स्टिक, और यू कैन ऑल्सो पोस्ट अ लॉन्ग स्टिक. आप क्या कह सकते हैं पोल को, अ लॉन्ग स्टिक. ओके. जस्ट टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल. यस, वी हैव टू टेक हियर, यस, लाइट. ओके, लाइट. One light and another is also light. Same spelling, same sounds, but meaning is different. इस lights means ले सकते हो आप not heavy, and the other is, इस light का meaning आप क्या कह सकते हो, the energy from the sun or lamp that allows us to see things. Okay, this is a spelling is same and sound is also same, but the meaning is different. I think you are understanding what am I saying here, and the difference between homophones and homonyms. Okay, next, idioms may be defined as expression peculiar to a language. Okay, let's start with example. Your example is backup. Okay, your example is back up. Yes, you have to, this is your idioms and the meaning is sport. Meaning is sports. You have to write and take another example. Yes, another example is break off. Yes, break off, stop suddenly. Okay, break. Yes, take break. Yes, break off means stop suddenly. This is your meaning. Okay, next you have to done this and the next part and last. Write a news clip on corona warriors. Yes guys, you everybody know about this thing. We are going on very difficult time. This is a corona, yes, coronavirus, and the helper is our corona warriors, that you have to watch on TV or read in newspaper. Our doctors, health workers, cleanliness and workers and police who are helping us to vary. Yes, this is a, you have to write your news clip, take in your notebook. Yes, firstly you have to paste your doctor and the between the news. Firstly you have to write our doctors and define your news, what are doing doctors for us in this very in this difficult time. And the next you have to again next topic. Yes, this is a health worker or policeman, and another take one by one and write this. Okay guys, you have to enjoy your holidays and do your work neat and clean. Okay, assignment should be done in holidays, homework copy only. Okay, best of luck for your holidays.